Welcome back to the video lessons. In this session, we'll see from choose column to split column, right? So let's start from choose column. So if you hit choose column, it will allow you to select the column that you want to show in the report. For example, if I just click on select all columns, it will remove the checkboxes, and if I keep order date and customer name, it will only have those two columns. So that's how choose column is used. I will again click on choose column and then select all columns so that I want all of them, and all the columns would appear again. Now in the drop down, you can see there is a go to column here. Now example, if you have multiple columns here and if you want to jump onto one column quickly, what you can do is you can select the one on which you want to go, like quantity, and then click OK. So it will select quantity quickly. So that's what go to column is used. Remove column, we have seen it previously as well. It removes the column, and as I clicked on it, it have removed the column on which the selection was. And I will remove the step. In order to remove the step, it's very easy. As I said, like if you do Control plus Z on any Windows applications, you know it will undo the step that you had taken. Similarly, here we don't have Control plus Z option, but you can remove the step, which I did. So it will come back. So the quantity column have come back. And let's see under remove column what options we have in the drop down. One is remove column and another one is remove other columns. So as you know, if you click on remove other columns, it will remove all other columns except the one which is selected, right? So I will again remove the step. Let's check what does keep rows will do. Keep rows is keep top rows. Keep how many top rows? For example, if I just want to keep 2, if I put 2, it will keep only 2 rows from the top, right? Keep rows, if I select keep bottom rows, so the last two, Ajit and Sanjay's row, it has to keep. So let's see if it does it work. So I am updating 2 over here and hitting 2. So yes, it is doing its work perfectly and fine. I will remove the step. I will remove removed columns so that I have all the columns with me. Now under keep rows, we have keep range of rows. For example, if I want to keep range of rows is like 1, 2, 3. So till customer name. If I update here, no, sorry, it's rows. I'm very sorry about that. So if I want to keep the first row, so the first row is order ID 1001 and the third row 1003. So it will keep the first 3 rows like this, right? So it was very easy to understand, right? And now let's remove the step and see the next option that we haven't tested. Keep duplicates. Keep duplicates would make sure that the duplicates are kept intact. Right? So there is no duplicates. So that's why there is nothing to see over here. It removed everything because there was no duplicate. If I keep the same thing in the product and say keep duplicates, so it kept only those which were duplicates, which were so it kept only those items which were more than once. That's why we have laptop, mouse over here. I will remove keep duplicates. Keep errors. If there is any error, it will keep it. But since we don't have any errors in the data, it will not show anything. I think there is one error that I can see here. Hope so it will work. Keep errors. No, it's not an error. It's in text value. So, but if it shows error kind of message that is given by Microsoft, it will keep those rows. So it will be easy for you to know in which rows you have error. Now let's see remove rows. It's easy since we saw keep rows. It's exactly the opposite of it. If you remove top rows and select two, so the first two would be gone, 1001 and 10202. Yeah. So that's what will happen in the case of remove rows. Remove bottom rows, it will remove, for example, if I put here 2, it will remove the 1010 and 1011. So it removed the same. And remove alternate rows. First row to remove, let's say if I want to start from first itself, remove number of rows to remove, and I need it to remove 2 rows, right? 2 rows. So if it starts from 1, and number of rows to keep. I will say 4. Okay, let's see how it works. So it has removed all the intermediate rows. It had alternate rows, it removes. That's what this function does. If the column has duplicates, like this has duplicates, right? It's very visible to us. And if I click on remove duplicates, it will remove it. It will keep only the unique values rows. So that's how it works. Remove the step. Remove blank rows. Let's check if there is any blank here in the data. Yeah, we have, I think null is something is like blank. So let's see if it removes the null values. Remove blank rows. No, so I think or the entire row needs to be blank. So we don't have it. That's the reason it's not removing. So I'll remove that step. But if we had a blank row itself completely, it would have removed it. An error, if there is any errors or the row has errors, it would have removed that row. We have sort options. Let's assume we need to sort it based on the name. We have to click lowest to highest. So it will sort based on the name, right? Like this. Date also you can sort. Say it's sorting the dates from oldest to newest, newest to oldest, ascending and descending. So that's how the sort works. Next, we'll see split column option. So the split column will work based on like delimiter. So how it works based on delimiter, we can see it. By delimiter, if you click, and here the delimiter is a dash, right? Custom, it picked automatically, like there is a delimiter in between, that's a dash. Leftmost delimiter, rightmost delimiter, each occurrence of the delimiter, I will keep it each occurrence. So wherever you see this dash, from there it will try to split the information. And we will click on OK. See, it has split the state and the city. So I will change the name. So in order to change the name, it's easy. You can double click on the name and change it to city of the column. Again, if you double click, I will keep the name as state and tab. So city and state name has been changed here. See, on the right hand side, the steps are increasing as and when I'm doing changes. Correct. There are few more options to split, like number of characters. So if you update like 3 characters, so from 3 characters rest would be split into different columns. Position, you can give a position and from there it will split. Lower and uppercase it will detect, and then split digit to non-digit. If a digit starts, so from there it will split, and same like non-digit to digit. So some more options in split. I hope you understood the different functions so far. We will cover few more that we have in this tab, that is home tab, in the next session. See you in the next session.